seen the final of Britain's Got Talent a few months ago. Obviously Britain ain't got that much talent because it was won by a dog. And the dog shooting as well. Now if you keep looking on our right, just where the trees come to an end, there's a small white building with 4 black windows. It's where they filmed this morning's breakfast programme. It's actually this part of the River Thames that they use as a backdrop throughout the day. That's the morning studio directly on the right hand side. Also on your right hand side, the red brick building with the OXO tower. Many years ago it was illegal to advertise on the banks of the River Thames. OXO come up with a very clever idea. They installed their logo in the shape of windows. Of a night when they turn their lights on, the word OXO shines out red over most of London. That is said to have saved them millions of pounds in free advertising. Now if you look in front of us on the left hand side, you'll see a white building with a green sloping roof and the black pinnacle on the top. It's the old City of London School for Boys. Lord Asquith, you see they've took the top piece of the bridge away, became unsafe from the modern day trains. The last bridge in a group of 3 is the Blackfriars Railway Bridge. Once through the bridge, if you look over to your left hand side, dominating London's skyline, see the dome and golden cross of St Paul's Cathedral stands 365 feet tall, that being 1 foot for each day of the year. As the second largest unsupported cathedral dome in Europe, took 35 years to build, completed in 1710. If you look to the right hand side, the brown brick building with the chimney, the old Bankside power station, been converted into the Tate Modern Art Gallery. They show contemporary art and also modern art, and it is completely free to go and have a walk around that building. Once you've been to walk around the building, you will understand why it's completely free. Now we're just about to pass beneath the Millennium Footbridge. As we do so, look to your right hand side behind the trees, you'll see a white circular building with a brown thatch roof, the New Globe Theatre. It is a replica of Shakespeare's Old Globe, opened up by Her Majesty the Queen with a seating of 1,600 people. You can go over there today and watch an old Shakespearean play being reenacted. Anything with Bankside directly on your right hand side. Now as we pass through the bridge, just coming up on your right hand side, in Wet Dock we have a full-scale working replica of Sir Francis Drake's old ship, the Golden Knight, and it is well worth a visit. Now the bridge in front of us, the famous London Bridge, it's the 4th London Bridge to stand on this site since Roman times. This one was opened up in 1973 by Her Majesty the Queen. The one before this, it now stands in the Arizona desert across a man-made lake called Lake Havasu. Sold off to America for $1.5 million. Now ladies and gents, look in front of us on our right hand side. We have the C-35 with the HMS Belfast. Belfast has 12 guns, 6 are firing and 6 are armed. Capable of firing the 102-pound shell from 14 land bombs. If the Belfast was to fire her guns in anger, she could hit targets in places such as Kew, Now in front of us on the left hand side, ladies and gents, behind the trees we have the world famous Tower of London. Centre parts, one of the oldest parts, and that is where you will see the towers and the flag owns the London's King. The White Tower dates back to 1780. been many things in his time, including one mints so gateway to London town road bridge, designed by Sir John Barry in 1894. The two centre spans of the bridge both line the region. If anyone did listen to the commentary, did enjoy it, and do so should leave the boat in the old tradition. No, you shouldn't put anything into the bucket. It is voluntary on your behalf, same as giving a commentary is a voluntary on our behalf. There is one thing I'd like to thank you all for, and that is your ferry.